Unlocking English. Master hypothesizing and predicting in academic contexts. Hello, language learners. Today, we are delving into the world of academic and professional vocabulary, focusing specifically on a fascinating aspect: hypothesizing and predicting. This is a crucial language function, often used in academic and professional writing and discussions. So get ready to enrich your language skills. Hypothesizing and predicting are important language functions, especially in academic and professional contexts. When we hypothesize, we are making an educated guess about what we think is true or what we think will happen. This is based on our knowledge and understanding of a situation. On the other hand, predicting is about guessing what will happen in the future, based on evidence or clues. Examples. Hypothesizing. Based on the data, we could hypothesize that increasing pollution levels are responsible for the rise in respiratory diseases. Predicting. Given the current growth rates, we predict that our sales will double in the next quarter. There are specific phrases and words you can use to express hypothesizing and predicting. Here are some examples. For hypothesizing, we might say, "It could be that." One possibility is that. There's a chance that. For predicting, common phrases include, "It is likely that." "We can expect." "The forecast suggests." Now, let's put this into practice. Here are some scenarios to consider. 1. Scenario. You are a scientist studying the impact of global warming. Hypothesize. Considering the current emission levels, there's a chance that global temperatures could rise by 2 degrees Celsius in the next decade. Predict. Given the increasing rate of ice melting in the polar regions, it is likely that sea levels will rise significantly in the coming years. 2. Scenario. You are a market analyst discussing trends in consumer behavior. Hypothesize. One possibility is that the shift to online shopping is due to the convenience and variety it offers. Predict. The forecast suggests that e-commerce sales are set to overtake brick-and-mortar retail sales by next year. Try to come up with your own hypotheses and predictions using these scenarios. There you have it. We've explored hypothesizing and predicting in academic and professional contexts. By using these phrases and understanding these language functions, you can elevate your English skills, particularly in professional and academic settings. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to try out your newly acquired skills. Until next time, keep learning and expanding your horizons.